The first step is make a work plan. Yes, when you are doing your research, whether you are doing your thesis or you are doing your research paperwork or you are writing your research proposal, the work plan is very important. Okay, you make work plan whether you're writing such paper, thesis, or research proposal. So work plan is necessary. It's must. So how we make a work plan? Let's discuss. In work plan, number one, you need a research activity. Number two, you need a duration in which you have to complete that particular research activity. First, I will tell you the research activities which are most commonly used in research. Then I will tell you about the duration of each research activity. So let's start. First research activity is reading papers, searching papers. Then you select topic selection is your second research activity. Then in writing introduction of your research paper. Then writing literature review of your research paper. Then writing effective methodology for your research paperwork. Then comes the data collection. Then comes your results, and then comes your discussion, then comes referencing, and then comes the first draft of your paper, which is a rough draft. Then you, after completing your draft work or your corrections and rechecking, you go for journal publication. So now I will come to duration. So before paper searching and reading, give at least 1 week. Okay, in simple words, you have to complete your paper reading and paper searching in 1 week, or it can be less than 1 week, 3 days as well. It's totally on you. I am just giving you an example. Then for topic section, give another 1 week. Okay, it's very important process and step of topic section. Then you start writing your introduction, give it 1 week as well, or according to your requirement. Then same goes for your literature review. Then 2 weeks for your methodology, as it's a very important part of your research paper. Then comes the data collection. You can give 1 week or more than 2 weeks to collect data. Then comes your results. After your data collection, you will do your results by running them on SPSS or any data analysis software. So give them 1 week as well. Then writing your discussion and referencing, give 1 week each as well. Then for your first draft, give 1 week as well.